Okay everyone, let's see this presentation and how to create it. Okay, it's perfect. Let's start. At first, you need a picture in the background. That's the easy part. I think all of you know. And that's the easy thing to create. And I really think it's good to create. After adding the picture, it's better to reduce the sharpness. And also after that, you see, reduce a little of the brightness. It's not a problem if it's try to lagging, because sometimes the process is going to create more space than you think. Okay, now after that we insert a new slide and take the real picture there. Then we have this picture and this picture, but this text. The text are just some simple text with lines that I created, nothing special about them. You see there are some pictures with lines. These lines, you can draw them from here. I draw one for simple. It's that. After that, increase the size and change the color. It's ready. Okay, now we have it. We need this title. It's use Overdrive Sunset as a font here. You see. So now after creating that, we copy everything beside the picture, paste it here. Then we need to bring them up and down 2 by 2. Okay, now set the transition to morph. Your slide is ready. Let's take a look. It's pretty nice. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.